Hello everybody, Mr. Brown with another video for you. Today I want to talk about social media. Yes, social media. But I don't want to be one of those parents to tell you, get off social media. You don't need to be on social media. It's bad for you. TikTok, what is that all about? I get what your parents are trying to communicate. But I think some of you are going to be on social media. So I want to give you some advice about how to be on social media. And I'm going to give you one word or one statement, but I want to give you two ways to think about it. The statement is this: live above the influence. Live above the influence. Now, what I mean by that is this. Social media influences us more than we think it does. We sometimes look at it and think that's how life is, that's reality. So it's what we get from it, right? What we learn from, what we see on it. So we get influenced by these things and we think this is life and reality. Not only that we look at what other people are doing and we think that's cool, that's good, or even that's real. Some of this stuff is not real. They do it for many different reasons. And one of them is money. A lot of people post things on Instagram, Facebook, social media in general for money. They get you to click, they get attention, and that's what it's about for them. So you gotta live above the influence. Really think, is this good? Is this true? Is this right? But the next one I think is really important. Live above the influence about what people say about you on social media. What people say about you. Do you need to respond to everything somebody posts? Just because they posted it doesn't mean it's true, number one, and doesn't mean you need to respond to it. Because can you respond to every comment ever? Could you imagine what it is to be a famous person? That's why kids ask me all the time, do you want to be famous? Nope. I want to make an influence, but I don't want to be famous. As a matter of fact, one of my most popular videos I posted has 54,000 views, has 2,700 comments on it, and all the comments are not good. So I didn't even take the time to respond, to even read most of them, because if I did, I would be in this rabbit hole of trying to respond to everybody. What are they saying about me? It would get too deep for me. So I had to live above the influence. When I thought about making this video, I thought about a commercial for these headphones, you know, the Beats headphones. Years ago, they made a campaign and they entitled it, Hear What You Want, right? Let me show you a little clip.
KG's a little too over the hill. I'm just not sure all that will click for one big last hurrah.
You're too old to be playing! Get out of my town! Got nothing left! Give me the rebound no more! You're washed up, son!
People will always have something to say about you. You have to consider the source. Are they trying to help you or hurt you? Are they throwing threats and things that harm you? Are they trying to lift you up and make you a better person? Don't let those people define you who are trying to hurt you. Let them drive you to a better place. One of the most powerful things we have is the ability to choose one thought over the other. And it's a choice. When you make better choices, you will live a better life. So choose well. Oh yeah. And I think about that clip. That's true. Like, that's social media. You could post something, people throw stuff at you, they say stuff at you, and they don't have the best intent for you. Therefore, do you need to respond to it? Do you need to engage with it? I know it can be hard, but if you're gonna be in social media, guess what? People are gonna say stuff about you. Not only that, if you're gonna ever do something or attempt to do something in life that's successful, everybody won't like it. So guess what? You can't respond to everybody. You have to prove to everybody. Be focused on what you need to do. Now, let me give you my overall thought about social media. Is it good for you? Probably not. I think either A, you can get off of it, because here's the truth. You don't have to be on social media. And so many students I talk to tell me they feel better that they're not on social media. They watch the drama their kids or friends are going through, and they don't have nothing to do with it. But also, number two, if you're on it, do you have to be on it all the time? Do you need to be tethered to this phone all the time? I believe this, no one deserves 24-hour access to your life, except maybe your parents. And even there, you gotta have some time to yourself, right? And sometimes these things rule our lives. We're always on them. Every time a notification pops up, we're on it. Some of you right now, when you leave school, you'll be leaving school like zombies. I'm not telling you what to do, but I want you to think about it, because what you do with your time really reflects what you're pouring into your life. That's why it's so important. If you're gonna be on social media, live above the influence. And it's a choice. When you make better choices, you will live a better life. So choose well. Oh yeah. Peace!